Right, what is it? What's the time? 6 a.m, man. 6 a.m, day 4 of the Vegas trip. Basically, yeah, last night we went out to the car vertical party. It was absolutely brilliant. There was probably more automotive YouTubers in one room than I've ever seen in my whole life. Like pretty much every single one. I say that's a bit of an exaggeration. There was just a lot of YouTubers there. So big shout out to Car Vertical for that. So today's a big day. Very big day. Today we're doing the first day at SEMA. There's actually 3 things to talk about today. First day at SEMA, I'm really looking forward to that. Second thing is the thing that I'm not looking forward to, and that's a surprise from Owen and the other boys. They've got a surprise for me that doesn't sound like a very good surprise. I feel like it's going to be something that I'm not going to like. And I've told him if I don't like it enough, then I'm not doing it. But we'll see later. And then the third and final thing is it's Halloween today. And apparently Halloween is absolutely massive in the States. And I'm going to be revealing to you lot what my Halloween costume is. Right, so it is t-shirt selection time. And there's actually something that these 3 t-shirts have all got in common. I'll tell you what that is shortly. So it's either this one, which is like a nice sunrise or sunset. Life is either a daring adventure or nothing at all. This one's very nice as well, like a Tokyo street setting. Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. And then this one here, the dollar bill one, I never lose, I either win or learn. And I'm thinking, because it's like a nice sunrise this morning. You can see a bit of orange on the buildings there. It's all looking very nice. I think, yeah, this is the one. And what they all got in common, but basically, they've all got hashtag on their logo on the front and the rear, and they're all available at calvinscardiary.com. Go treat yourself. So we have arrived at SEMA. It's a very, very different vibe today compared to yesterday, that's for sure. It is busy, man. There is cars and just crazy stuff happening everywhere. I don't actually know where to start. I just see a couple of pretty cool American trucks. I'll put some shots of them on the screen now. It is like YouTuber central here, it's mad. So there is Freddie Tavares' McLaren P1 that he bought flood damaged, and there is Tim Schmee in the background. He is on it. So this $2 million McLaren P1 hypercar sadly ended up in the flood back in 2022. After it had all dried out, it was advertised for sale in a Copart auction for a buy it now price of $575,000. And to be fair, considering it had recently been floating around in a pool of water, it weren't looking too bad at all. And to prove he's got balls big enough to knock a bloody house down, Freddie decides to take the punt and buy it. Was it the biggest gamble of his life, or was it a calculated risk? As you can see now, the car's looking absolutely stunning, and he's made some personal touches on top of this as well, including removing the hybrid system, making it the only non-electric McLaren P1 in the world, with plans to make it the most powerful McLaren P1 in the world once it's been fully rebuilt. Now what's really interesting is, and it is really lucky that Freddie done this as well, is when you look at the car vertical check on this car, you can see it's all green ticks apart from the damage, which of course you would have known if you was bidding on it in a Copart auction. But the photos in November 2022 look pretty good. What's really handy is also on the car vertical check, 2 months prior to that, you can see the flood damage pictures, which tell the full story. It also confirms that it is a super low mileage car. So I would say, based on the fact that Freddie done his checks before he bought the car, as much as it was definitely a bit of a gamble, it was probably more of a calculated risk. So make sure when you buy a used car, you do a car vertical check. And make sure when you do your car vertical check, you use my code CCD to get a little discount. Hello, mate. Hello. Wow, that's amazing. I do want to find some British brands, some brands that we're familiar with in the UK, just to get some conversation going. So I'll have a wander around, see who we can find, yeah? Oh, no way, it's Urban. I wonder if Lenny's over there. Let's go have a look. Pressure. Lenny, the pressure's on you, mate. You know the deal, You're good at this.
He's lovely to see you.
Yeah, good to see you, man. So
here we are at SEMA, Vegas.
Urban at SEMA.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Wicked. So you've got a couple of pretty special cars here.
Yeah, with the help of our partners, Miltech, and of course Platinum Group in LA. We've built these 2 amazing cars.
Mate, that is like the perfect 2-car driveway for me.
It's unbelievable, yeah.
So what should we start with, the Range?
So let's start with the Range, because this is, I suppose, this is what we're known for, isn't it? Land Rover products.
Yeah, of course,
You know, the L405 Range Rover and the 494 Sport were so popular for us. And so this is a big deal, launching a new kit. Yeah. And I think we've smashed it again.
Mate, it looks amazing, doesn't it?
And obviously full carbon, like what Urban do, you know, we manufacture all our own carbon fibre. It's a full carbon fibre replacement bumper. I think only us and one other competitor competitor do full bumper replacements.
Well, hold on, that whole bumper?
The whole bumper is carbon. It's a full bumper replacement.
Really?
Yeah, whereas most of our competitors, apart from one other, just do overlays. So they keep the standard bumper and they do an overlay over the top,
so it's
a splitter
underneath.
or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, our new grille, replacement front bumper, our amazing new wheels, of course in collaboration with Vossen. 24-inch forged.
Really?
Yeah. Obviously this one's been lowered, it's on lowering links. The roads out in LA and out in America, they're so much better.
Yeah.
Whether you could run 24s and lowering links in the UK, I'm not too sure. The roads aren't great.
Not ideal.
But it gives that incredible stance.
It looks unbelievable, doesn't it?
Unbelievable, doesn't it? So we've got the wide track arches.
It's slightly wider, yeah.
Carbon fibre side skirts, and then to the rear, it's quite a low rear bumper, so we didn't have a huge amount to work with, but Simon and the designers have absolutely.
Let's say hello, Simon, quick.
The main man. Yeah, you're not mic'd up. I'm doing it this time.
Lenny's got it. Lenny's got it.
But yeah, even down to the little touches here with the urban branding. But
that is quality, isn't it?
Our partners in LA, Platinum Group, have absolutely smashed these builds, and they weren't given a huge amount of time either. I mean, it was so close to the wire, and you know, when we do the YouTube video and stuff, we're like, oh my god, are we going to make it? Are we going to make it? That wasn't just for clickbait. It was genuine
pressure.
Very, very close to getting the kits out to America. You know, like 2 weeks before this show.
Hold on, you're building these cars back home and selling them over here?
No, we were sending the kits out. So we were exporting the kits. Yeah, but of course
the people over here can build this an urban car.
Absolutely, exactly. Yeah. So it's really cool. I absolutely love this. Like I say, the Land Rover product has always been our kind of bread and butter. But obviously with the Cullinan, we've just come into the Rolls-Royce market, and the Ghost. Now, to me, I think this
that brings us on.
Oh, mate, do you know what?
Mate.
And do you know what? Whether this was going to be when Si came over. So we did the Cullinan for Scott Disick.
Yeah.
Si came over a couple of months ago to LA to hand that over to him, and the Platinum boys said, look, you've got to do a kit for the Ghost. You have to do a kit for the Ghost. I don't think it's going to be very popular in the UK, just because people don't tend to run body kitties Ghosts
on a Rolls Royce.
But for America, I think this is going to be.
It looks
huge.
very suited to the American market. Currently, it's rocking 2 personalities, isn't it? This car?
Yeah.
So
let's go look at
the other side.
I want to bring back silver wheels back to the UK.
You talk about this a lot on your social media.
I've got polished face wheels on my Merc. I absolutely love them.
It looks incredible.
But look at these, and like again.
So from this side, we've got the polished wheels.
Yeah, 24-inch forged alloys in collaboration with Vossen, and again, full carbon fibre body kit. This time in forged carbon, so splitter, side skirts, again 24-inch alloys.
The forged carbon looks good, doesn't it?
Forged carbon looks really cool.
It does look really good. Yeah. I love that little pinstripe through there as well.
Yeah, and then the carbon diffuser and bit of aluminium tailpipe finishes again. It's on par with everything out there, isn't it? It just looks so cool. I mean, it's Rolls-Royce Cullinan all fully kitted up.
It's as good as a car gets, and
exactly.
Then it's better.
Yeah, exactly. And then in the UK, we've got a Tempest Grey Ghost going through build. I don't know whether we're going to run 22s or 24s, because again, the UK roads, we have to sort of.
It's a bit of a problem, isn't it?
Whereas, you know, you've seen the roads around Vegas, they're so smooth.
It's nice, they're wide, they're smooth.
So you can run cars like this.
I know.
Yeah, no, I'm really happy with how they've both turned out. And, you know, I've only been here for a few hours. I haven't had a look around yet, but I'm excited to.
Yeah.
It's cool.
Wicked, man.
It's cool.
Cool, good
Lovely
to
see you, brother. Nice
Thank
one,
you.
mate.
So, yeah, that was Urban Automotive. What's his name? Richard Rawlins over there on it. Urban Automotive. What cars, man. The cars they've got are unbelievable. But as you walk around here, look at this truck. Look at the truck. Very, very cool. Let's have some dough spent on it, that, hasn't it? So next stop is we've got the unveiling of Chiro's Toyota Corolla at 12 o'clock. It's literally 10 to 12 now, so I'm going to head over to the EBC brake stand and see all the fuss over the Corolla. Seriously, man. You know what it is? It's the engine bays. I keep seeing some crazy engine bays. Look at that engine bay. It's even got doors like the Rolls Royce, isn't it? What are they called? Are they suicide doors? Even that motorbike. Who are these people? Badger Designs. I wonder if that's Mr. Badger. Oh, the EBC brakes is over there. Let's wander through here. Look at the boot. Look how big the car is. Just sort of walking through SEMA, POV style now, guys. You're seeing exactly what I'm seeing. There's them 2 trucks that I spoke about earlier. They're so cool. The size of that thing. Looks like someone's doing another unveiling there at some point. Another car under wraps. We've got a wicked spot with EBC because there's a couple of food stands behind. Toilets there as well. They're all over there ready for the unveiling. Look, the little crowds drawing, ready for the big thing at 12 o'clock. We've got a few minutes left. Let's go for a wander up here. Wow, look at the wheels on that. What size are they? Let's have a look. I can't see. No idea. But yeah, proper cool GTR. Is it a GTR? Obsession R. MG. It's mint in it, look. Absolutely mint. Oh, no way. A monster truck. A monster truck. I say monster truck, it's not. I mean, it's big. Don't get me wrong. But there's some pretty big monster trucks here. Right, let's head back to EBC for the unveiling of the Corolla. How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel like literally in the last 2 minutes my brain snapped, I'm in the zone and I'm about to wax lyrical for about 10 minutes about the car before we unveil it.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
You're excited, yeah?
Sick, really
nervous?
No, I'm not. You know when you get on it, you know when you get on it, you know, and we are both on it, right?
Always.
You just in that zone and everything happens and you just, yeah.
You're ready, man.
You think it comes out of the mouth and like, yeah.
Well
I didn't
done.
sleep.
Really?
I woke up at 2 in the morning thinking about what I wanted to say.
Really?
Yeah.
You're ready, man. You're ready, yeah.
And you got to ride in it in Vegas as
I know.
well.
What a night that was. What a night that was. What a memory. Wicked, man.
Amazing.
Let's
Thank
do
you,
it,
bro.
yeah?
Let's do it. We are proudly here to bring you the British takeover. There is 35 to 40 petrolheads and friends, ambassadors in from the UK for this moment, but mainly to enjoy SEMA, some for the first time. We've got people that have been involved in this build, and this is British built. Like so many builds here, there's a time scale, and this was built by the end of August so that it could travel 5,172 miles to SEMA. Are you ready?
Yeah. I can't hear you. Are you ready? 5, come on. 4, 3, 2, 1. Will it work? Oh, we're just teasing you, okay? We're just testing. 28, 27. Just pull it. Go on. Go there. Tug it.
You ready?
Go, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Ladies and gents, enjoy her, and please tag our partners. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, that was a big moment for Chiro. So it's actually in Battle of the Builders, that car now, which is, I believe is like a competition for all the cars that are entered. So we'll see later on in the week how it gets on. There is some pretty special competition, but the Corolla is quite special. So we'll see later on in the week how it gets on. So, Owen, this is Owen.
Hi.
This is the big moment that Owen's going to reveal this horrible surprise to me.
We like walking backwards, don't we?
Well, we're walking backwards towards a death trap.
Okay, over here.
The death trap of Owen. Yeah, so this is it, guys. I ain't got a clue what's going on. I'm hoping it's good. If it involves heights.
Well,
I've got an idea what it is. I could say I can put it on the screen now, but then by the time this video is edited, I would already know.
Here. We've got to go around
This way, yeah? I can hear a big truck starting. Could be something to do with that, maybe. Yeah, I've got a feeling that my feeling was correct.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think, this is what you think it is?
Well, yeah, this is what I think it is.
It's going to be fun.
Cool.
If all goes to plan, we're going on both Calvin and me, but Calvin's going first because we're going to record his reaction to see exactly what happens when he goes out in a drift car, but a professional one.
Oh, really?
Really quick,
oh, that's
really
wicked,
quick
man.
entry speeds, the rest. So it's going to be really, really fun, and we're going to roll that and see how he feels about it.
Oh, that's wicked.
Let's do it. I think Calvin's worked out now what we are actually doing here, but what we are doing here is taking Calvin out for a session with the RTR guys, sponsored by HP Tuners, one of our sponsors, on the drift pad out there. Yeah.
And I'm a brilliant passenger, aren't I?
Exactly.
I like being a passenger in cars.
Calvin said, if it's anything to do with heights, I don't want to be involved. I said, well, that's it. You're going to love this then. So
I must admit, my guess was I thought it was going to be a crazy ride in a monster truck. Because
okay.
I, for some reason, I felt like heights were involved.
I mean, there's something similar to that there.
There is, but but a drift car, I think that's cool.
It's going to be good.
It's going to be
good.
Well, I hope it's going to be good. I feel like I'm 50-50.
So what we're going to do, we've got to go over and sign a waiver, just make sure we sign on. I think I've managed to wangle getting Adam to come and take us out, for those of you who don't know Adam LZ, he's like a drift guy. So hopefully he's going to come out and take us out. I'm going to have 5 minutes just to talk to him. We'll see if we can do that. But anyway, let's get the paperwork signed and get in the seat.
Let's go. Let's go.
Print and sign?
Yep. I'll just put it back there.
And then who has to go with Adam?
Signing my life away. So basically, yeah.
And then, you know.
Yeah, you get the idea. Oh man, thank you. That is ridiculous. That's it. Get some lights on in here. Shoes off. Oh, another long day. Oh, by the way, quick little holiday hack, life hack, whatever you want to call it. Phone, yeah? This is my phone. When you got your when you're on holiday, they give you a little card. Get the card, put it inside your phone case, yeah, because then you never forget it. And then when you walk up to your car, when you walk up to your room, even you got your card in your phone. Just unlock your door with your phone with the card in it. I just think it's quite handy. But anyway, the reason why I got this hat on is I've just been to a little private party. We got invited there, loads of us. It was actually really classy, really quiet, really chilled. Had singers there and stuff. C-Tech, shout out to C-Tech, thank you very much for the invite. Nice party, nice bit of food as well. It went down really well. So currently, oh hold on, drifting. The drifting, oh my God, that was mental. That was mental. Apparently the guy that was driving, I didn't actually know at the time, was Adam LZ, who is apparently a big, he's a big YouTuber. He's got like 3 million subscribers or something on YouTube. So that is quality, man. It adds a bit of spice to my video anyway. So thank you to Owen and the Motor Addicts boys and HP Tuners for sorting it out, because that was wicked. Now the final thing we need to get out in this video is my Halloween costume, don't we? So, are you ready for this? Because you know, Halloween's big over here, isn't it? So I need to, you know, make the effort, and I bought a costume before we come out here, and I brought it with me, all right? Ready for the big transformation? 3, 2, 1. Look at that, look at that. 20 quid from Amazon, mate. Absolute bargain. And I thought, you know, I thought practical. I've got to think practical. And it's quite warm out here, but it does get chilly. And with this, you know, you can pop the hood off if you want to. You know, you've got full coverage if you want to keep warm. It's just a perfect all-rounder. And you know what? I wanted to make the effort. I didn't want to come out here and look like a bloody, you know, you got to make the effort, innit you? And apparently, the whole Halloween scene in Vegas is crazy. They're supposedly mad for Halloween. I will insert some shots of what my night ahead is going to be looking like, because I will have them shots by the time this video goes live. So yeah, guys, thank you very much for watching. It's been a brilliant day, really good day, and I've got another video coming tomorrow at 6 o'clock, so make sure you hit subscribe, and please do hit that like button, and I'll see you tomorrow, all right? Bye.